how to create account on Instagram. Firstly, go to Instagram app, and from here click on create new account. And if you want to use your mobile number to sign up, you can use your mobile number here. But now I'm going to sign up with my email, and here put the email and click on next, and a verification code will be sent on the email address. Enter your Instagram code here, click on next, and after that enter your full name and choose your password from here. And if you want to save your login info, click on save. But if you don't want to do that, click on not now, and enter your birth date and click on next, and select or choose your username and click on next, and agree the terms and conditions of Instagram, and boom, your account is created. And this is how you create your profile on Instagram.